Right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Do hope everyone is well. Welcome to Leyland railway station. We're here to see 975025 Caroline inspection saloon car, 37418 and 37508, and we're also here to see class 52 D1015 Western Champion and 37240. So some spectacular locomotives for you today. As you can probably tell by my voice, yes, I am full of a cold. I'm probably about a number of people that are full of a cold at the moment, because quite a number of subscribers have all said to me, that they're all full of a cold. So it seems to be getting everybody right now. But I'm feeling a bit rough, so I've come out for this today. But I'm not feeling 100%, but I thought I can't miss this. So we are here today. We're going to get this video done, and then we're going to get back on the road to recovery, because I can't be out feeling unwell, really. So don't forget, if you are new to the channel, do hit the subscribe button for me. Tick the bell for notifications so that you don't miss any of our future uploads and future content. Videos every day, 5 PM UK time. So do make sure you have tick the bell for notifications of when those new videos do upload at 5 PM UK time. Feel free to hit the like button as well if you like what we do. Feel free to hit the share button as well. Share this video out on social media. And also feel free to leave a comment down below. In the comments section, it's always open. But please, if you do leave a comment, and if I don't reply straight away, that's because I'm busy making other content at the same time. I can't be doing two things at once. I will get back to comments just as soon as I can. So let's get today's spectacular video here at Leyland well and truly underway. Right guys, that just about brings an end to today's video here at Leyland. I do hope you have all enjoyed this one. The Loram 37s and the inspection saloon Caroline, fantastic thrash as they came through. And then we had the Western Champion and 37240 from Vintage Trains on a tour to Carlisle. First time I've ever videoed a class 52, and I really enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoyed watching it as well, and hope that this video has made everyone's day. So don't forget, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for me, tick the bell for notifications when I upload new videos and new content every day at 5 PM UK time. Make sure you hit the like button as well if you do enjoy the content, and if you like what we do, feel free to leave a comment down below, and feel free to share this video on social media. And so if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, please share, please subscribe. Do give it a thumbs up for us, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video. Bye for now.